Welcome back to Mod Wheels. Today we got another car culture unboxing, and if you haven't seen the rest of the videos, go check those out. We have 2 boxes that we get from Stop Diecast. We got the full subscription, all the car culture, because we want to try to get some of these chases. And as you can see, we got a couple we're missing, but hang on. I did acquire one. I do not have the BMW in my possession, but my buddy has one saved for me, so I have it. It's just not here yet. So let's go ahead and pop this guy up. Let's see if we can do this. Right. All right, well, it's up there. So, yeah, we got a little gap, and we are halfway there, but it's kind of weird since we already opened the 4th box. And now we're at the halfway point, I guess, after this. Whatever, I don't know how this works. So we are unboxing, like I said, 2 of these. And we got 1 big box, so we need to get our small boxes out of the bigger box. And of course, we got those lovely packing peanuts. All right, we'll set this one off to the side. So here we go. We got, is this T? I guess it would be T, A1. So this is the first round of the vintage racing set. The chase we'll be looking for is the Skyline, and I would absolutely love to score on this one. If you could see, I'll pop it up over here somewhere. Get our chase counter. It's not great. It's not great. We've only scored on the first couple boxes, which was awesome. The last 3 were all duds. Hoping, we'll see. I know we only got 2 boxes, so likelihood of trying to score probably low, but you never know. So let's go ahead. Let's crack these boys open and see what we can do. I'm going to try to make this. I don't want to see anything. Okay, cars are going the right way. Don't look. I'm looking. I promise I'm looking away. So let's just start pulling them out, see what we got. Oh, first one out the gate, the Ferrari. Pretty cool casting, and I gotta say, before we even get into this, I'm not a huge fan of this whole set. Vintage racing stuff is cool. I do like it in the 1:1 scale cars. In the 1/64th, not really my thing. I will collect some, and we can I'll go over the ones I'm keeping here in a little bit, because I won't be keeping a few of these. And there's the other Ferrari. Wow, they're stacked like that? Okay. So we've got 2 Ferraris. Ooh, the Porsche. There it is. Porsche 917K. And it is the, I believe, I don't know if it was recasted, or they just made some tweaks, which I guess that would cause that, with some wider wheels in the back. I never really paid attention real close to this model, but this new updated one is the rear wheels. They had some real small ones. I know some of you guys have probably seen the videos, and this one is very cool. That's going to be, let's just go through it when we do. That's going to be a keeper for me. We're going to have at least one. The Ferrari, we're going to go with maybe. I'm not real sure. These are, this one in white with the black accents. It's pretty sick. I kind of dig it. So I might, that's a maybe. That's a maybe for me. And of course, another Porsche. I'm going to flip this dude around because the chase should be in the middle if there is one in there. And we got the Lancia Stratos. I don't think it's like that. This one also, this is actually probably a keeper for me. I'm really big, well, not so much anymore. I was really big into rally racing when I first started getting into cars, so those cars kind of hold a soft spot for me, so I will be keeping that guy. And there should be another one, and I don't know if this takes the spot of the chase. Hopefully not. We got one more to go, or 1, 2, 4, Jesus, 2 more to go. Let's see what we got here. And the Corvette, 76 Greenwood Corvette. Pretty cool car. Not really into the older Corvette stuff. But the wide body on this, man, that is pretty sick as it's like a race car. I really actually like the details on the headlights. I don't think this is going to be a keeper for me. I don't know. It is pretty cool. Pretty cool car. And probably not a keeper. Let's go. We're going back this way. And we got the Jaguar. It's the last one in the set, the 1 of 5. This isn't gonna be a keeper for me. Looks like, are those new wheels? I'm not sure if those are wheels I've seen before, but I haven't seen anybody really talk about them. Not the greatest wheels either. Not a big Jaguar fan myself, so that's not gonna be a keeper for me. Another Jaguar, and it's probably a Corvette, or maybe a Chase. And of course, not a Chase. And here's the back of the card if you guys wanted to see that. There's all the cars. Vintage Racing. Unfortunately, first box, a dud. And I pretty much expect the same at this point. I'm supposed to be lucky, and I got real lucky on, I'm pretty sure I've talked about this, on the first 2 cases I ever ordered. I ordered the Ronin Run, which I just wanted that full set, so I ordered 2 cases. And I knew some of my homies would want some, so I got extras and ended up hitting a Chase on both of those cases. And then, like I said, if you watch the video, I always go the wrong way. Watch the video, that guy had a double on that one as well. I think I used up all my luck on those 2 because the last 3 haven't done anything. So it's still trying not to look. I guess I should be in frame here, huh? Another Lancia. Just rip right through these. Lancia. We got Corvette. Corvette, which does that mean? I don't know if that means we didn't score a Chase. Ferrari. Oh, I got 2. We're gonna let it ride. Got the Ferrari, probably a Porsche. Yep. We'll just grab the last 2. Porsche, last car, maybe. Oh, dang it. That one hurts a little bit. I really wanted the Skyline. If you guys have been watching this, I have one more. Hang on. I already saw the card on accident. 2 Jaguars. Boo. Like I was saying, if you guys have been watching, you know that I'm a big JDM fanboy and would really have loved to hit a Skyline Chase on this one. Unfortunately, you know, it doesn't always work out the way you want. So looks like I'll have to try to trade or find my own. I haven't done great about finding them. I haven't found one in the wild yet. Definitely get video for you guys and post that up. If I do find one, hopefully that'd be awesome. But I think this Skyline people are gonna be going for. Obviously, everybody loves Skylines, including myself. Love to have the R32. Like I said, I already got spots for all of them, so we're gonna do it. Just apparently not today. So hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Once again, no scores. It would make it more fun video if I could score. So Mattel, if you're watching, just sneak one in there for me. But thanks for watching, and hopefully I see you guys on the next one.